Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to move a PDF file from one place to another on a Mac computer using terminal and terminal commands. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, be able to use terminal as well as the terminal commands. So we are now ready to start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way around to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for the command prompt terminal. Open that up. Now let's increase the size of the terminal window. Increase the font size. So before we enter the commands into the command prompt, let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to the Finder. Navigate to a PDF file that you wish to transfer, move from one place to another. At the moment, the file itself is in the Documents folder. We want to transfer from document to desktop. Ideally, what we can do in a situation is just drag and drop. But for this tutorial, let's minimize Finder for the moment. Let's go into Terminal, ls-l, to list everything on screen, CD Documents, ls-l. We wish to move trial document.pdf to the desktop. Before we execute the command, let's now go to Finder, decrease the size of the Finder window as we want to see this happening in real time. And so there is the document, trial document.pdf. Let's now focus on terminal, mv trial document.pdf /desktop, enter, and there you go. So let's now clear everything on screen. Now let's change directory, clear, quit terminal, quit documents, and there is the PDF file that we moved from the documents to the desktop using a terminal command. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.